Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it may be. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. Let's see. Grumpy got some like, let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay. To it. It's cold out here. Alright, I got some stickers from Knuckles. It is from Knuckle Bustin Knumbskull. Y'all got to go check out his channel. I will have a link to his channel. I'm going to have a link to both his channels in my description. He's got 2 channels. They're both pretty cool, so you'll have to go check them out and give him a subscribe and a like and comment on some of his videos so he knows y'all subscribe and all that good stuff. But this is cool. It says, "Hey Grumps, I hope you like the stickers." This is Love Brother Todd. Awesome. I love the stickers. I've always liked your stickers, and I've been waiting, and then I didn't know I was getting another sticker. Okay, y'all can't see it, as y'all don't. Y'all's like, what's he babbling about? Yeah, Grumpy's a king of babble. Pow! There's the first one. Hold on, my big thumb's blocking his name. Y'all got to be able to see the name, right? Hey, here we go, get close up. Boom! I love that. I've been wanting one of those. Thank you so much for that, Knuckles. And then, hey, here's the one I didn't know I was getting. This I didn't. This is too cool too. Now, bam! As I say, it's all Knuckles' fault with the slingshots. I found his channel and found the slingshot community, and yeah, it's addicting. So yeah, that's Knuckles' slingshot channel. I'll have a link to both of them in the description for sure, but y'all go check that out. But yeah, found his channel, and then I met a bunch of people in the slingshot community, and I've gotten a slingshot, and I've made a slingshot, and made a daggum catch barrel, and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's addicting and it's fun. But let's see, fitting. I'm gonna put Knuckles right there. Y'all see where I'm at, way over here in the corner. Let me turn y'all here a little bit. Right here. Knocking my piece of cotton and bark over. Oh, I dropped my sticker. Mayday. Okay. That piece of cottonwood bark was in the way. There's one of my slingshots things. That's one Mr. Bazzi sent me. That's pretty cool. No, my sticker's falling way down behind all my birds. Okay, look, y'all. I got 2 of those. So, I'll dig that one out in just a second. It went behind all my box of birds. Let's see. My box is a mess. It fell behind all there down to the bottom. It's on this table, but it's just behind all that. So I will get that here in a minute. But I'm going to put one of them right here in this corner. Move that out. That's a piece of bokate that I got from Mr. County. And then I'm going to put the other one right here. I'm going to move you and spread you out. Spread you around right here. Ooh, it's been a day, y'all. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. And again, thank you so much for the stickers, Knuckles. I greatly appreciate it, sir. Oh, see, this is where I should pause. I'm having problems. Alright, hold on, y'all. We're right back. Alright, we're back. Goodness gracious, that took me about 5 minutes, y'all. The struggle is flipping real. Woo! I can't hardly feel my fingers right now. It's getting a little bit later in the evening, and the neuropathy kind of kicks in a little bit harder. So yeah, that was fun. But hey, we got it. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna try not to knock y'all all around here with the camera. A little bit closer. No, wiggle. Okay. I will move any dust. I'm gonna get you right here in the corner, up top, right here. Get you close to Bazzi. I'm gonna put the other one right here underneath Miss Francis' sticker. Oh, I want to get it right in the corner and right at the top. Yeah, I'm weird. I try not to make the stickers touch one another. I want everybody to have their own spot, right? Oh, we want it straight. Oh, I think that's straight. It's good. Oh, bump the camera. Rub the bubbles out. Awesome. Yeah, y'all think I'm freaking crazy, but hey, that's alright. I embrace it because I'm not crazy. I'm batshit crazy. You see. Alright, now we're going with Knuckles' other channel here, his slingshot channel. Y'all gotta go check it out too. He makes some awesome slingshots, yo. I haven't seen one that I don't like yet. I know that. Yeah, I know he doesn't like some of the ones he puts out, and he talks like he doesn't like some of them or something, but like I said, I haven't seen one yet that I have not liked. Let's see, getting close. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I'm all up on the camera trying not to knock it over. Oh, right there. Oh. Yeah, Grumpy's crazy. Awesome. Oh, we will wobble, but we don't fall down. Y'all just do not realize how unstable this little bitty tripod is. It is tanky. But awesome. Thank you so much, Knuckles. I greatly appreciate these stickers. And hey, y'all, go check Knuckles' channel out. Both of them. I'm going to have a link to both his channels in my description. And then, hey, check out all these other channels. Ooh, let me shrink y'all back down. Ooh, we getting too many. It's not too many. You can never have too many awesome channels. There's getting to be too many to keep y'all all in one frame is what I was trying to say. But awesome. Y'all go check everybody out. We got Knuckles' 2 channels. There's Bazzy. There's Miss Francis at Beating Crazy Custom Creations. Professor Rusty, that's one of his stickers right there. Dad, he's got an awesome channel. There's Wowies from Two Brother One Vision, awesome channel. And they got Wowie Dibs and which is Larry Dibs, and then Darren Dibs makes up Two Brothers in One Vision. Y'all gotta go check them out. Ray and Sandy, Robert C. Peters, Johnny from Johnny's Lathe Crafts, Mr. Michael, Josh and Casey, Bear, another Josh sticker, Jordy sticker, Sean Brooks, Pin on Fire, Perry, Carbon Wizard, DeLands, Handmade Woodworking, Sophie Under the Bark, Electric Whittler Josh, another Robert C. Peters stickers, awesome sticker, Mr. Roy, Timber Art Techniques, Alan at Old Pass Woodworking, y'all go check his channel out. Suzanne Rhinestone Suzanne's channel, go check it out. I'll have a link for everybody. And let's see, get a little seasick real quick. Right up over there, there's Off Track Syndicate's channel, their sticker. Alright, we're back. Okay, everybody, have an awesome night, and thank you so much. Again, thank you, Knuckles, for the stickers. I greatly appreciate it, buddy. Y'all go check out his channel. Everybody stay laid back, stay awesome, and remember, it's my job to be grumpy.